Weapons from Russia-Ukraine war don dey enter Africa. Buhari na im tok dis one. President of Naija, Muhammadu Buhari don call for peace and stability of the region. E tok dis one for the 16th summit of the heads of state and government of the Chad Basin Commission (LCBC) wey happen on Tuesday for Abuja. Buhari wey tok say the weapons wey dem dey use for the war for Ukraine and Russia don dey enter the region and dis one don dey cause katakata to the peace and security of the region. E con still tok say make dem sharparly join body with border control agencies and other security agencies to help stop the circulation of these illegal weapons for the region.
Our sustained sacrifices of restoring peace and stability to the region and to enable the people in the area to return to their normal lives and activities are highly commendable. The multinational joint task force has indeed become a model, breaking physical barriers and affirming the workability of a common approach to conquer challenges in the area. It must, however, be stated that despite the successes recorded by the gallant troops of the multinational joint task force and the various ongoing national operations in the region, the terrorist threat still lurks in the region. Weapons being used for the war in Ukraine and Russia are equally beginning to filter in the region. There is therefore the urgent need for expedited collaborative actions by our security services to stop the circulation of all illegal weapons in the region. We all must rise and face the challenges of the region head-on in order to deliver the bright future we envisage for our region.
Mahamat Idris Deby Itno, President for the Transition Council of Chad, Mohamed Al-Mefi, Chairman for the Presidential Council of Libya, and Faustin Akchanga Touadera, President for the Central African Republic, come chook mouth on top the matter, say dem get ogbonge role to play to comot the katakata wey dey the region dey face.
We can never have sustainable or long-lasting peace in the Chad Basin countries if they are in poverty, experiencing unemployment and underdevelopment.
I would like to say that we have a very important role to play to make sure that we mitigate these challenges we're facing in our region.
Central Africa hereby provides its support for sustainable development of the Lake Chad region.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember say your PVC na your power. No go sell your votes give any politician or political party on election day.